I hope you guys have noted the latest tentative schedule that is available on the MHCET website. Now, as per that schedule, your MHCET 5-year LLB examination will be conducted on 2nd of April 2023. So, those are the dates. Today in this video, we are going to talk about this examination. What is the eligibility criteria? What is the paper pattern? What is the syllabus like? What are the things that are going to be asked? ऑल दीज थिंग्स आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. हाय गाइस, आई एम आयुषी, योर मेंटर फॉर लॉ बेस्ड एग्जामिनेशंस एंड वेलकम टू आवर डाइजेस्ट. Speaking of the eligibility, here you can see that they have clearly mentioned that you need a minimum of 45% marks if you are from open SCBC or EWS category and outside Maharashtra state candidature. And in case you are from any of these categories, SC, STs from state of Maharashtra, then you need 40% marks, and further for these categories you need 42% marks. Now these marks are required in your grade 12th, so you need to have a grade 12th certificate with you. आपके पास अपना passing certificate of grade 12th होना चाहिए for the purposes of applying to this examination. Now of course अगर आप किसी डिग्री कोर्स से भी हैं तो भी आप इस एग्जाम के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट देन इट ऑब्वियसली मेक सेंस कि आप 3-year LLB के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे. देन moving forward to the pattern, it says it will be a multiple choice question and there will be 4 options. No negative marking is there. 2 hours का पेपर है, इंग्लिश और मराठी में questions will be there. You can answer either in English or Marathi, and they've mentioned that they provide mock test link online, but ऐसा each year we see that no such thing is given. Time 2 hours, 150 marks, 150 questions. What are the areas that are asked? Legal knowledge, GA, that is your general awareness and current affairs, aptitude, English, maths. These are the sections that you are questioned about. Now let us see what is the weightage. From legal section, you will be asked 40 questions. From GK, 30, logical reasoning, 40, English, 30, and maths, 10 marks. So here we can see that जो सबसे कम weightage है, the minimum weightage is of mathematics, that is 10 marks. So you can do these areas first and leave maths for the end if you are facing any time crunch. लीगल में अब आपसे क्या पूछेंगे? दिस सेक्शन विल टेस्ट कैंडिडेट्स इंटरेस्ट टुवर्ड्स द स्टडी ऑफ लॉ, legal aptitude and problem solving ability. So basically there will be legal propositions that will be given to you. They may not be true in the real sense. So you will be given a principle and you will be given certain facts and you need to come to a conclusion based on this principle and facts. So you have to come to a reasonable conclusion on this basis. Further, you are required to know the study of law, that is you can read about constitution, the basics of constitution you can be aware of. You can also read about legal current events that take place. We keep posting videos online as well as many much and a lot of content on Instagram as well about the legal updates that keep coming up. So keep following us there as well. GK and current affairs. Here you will be asked about history, geography, general science, economics, civics. Civics is again your constitution, and current affairs for the past 1 year. So this is basically to check your awareness as to happenings around the world. Logical and analytical reasoning. Identify patterns, logical links, rectify illogical arguments. So this is your analytical understanding that's going to be checked. Completing arguments, drawing conclusions, reasoning by analogy, applying principles, then describe relationships. So these are all Venn diagrams, blood relations, all these kinds of questions that are asked in this particular area. फॉर लॉजिकल रीजनिंग आपकी बुक आती है RS अग्रवाल की, जिससे आप क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. फॉर MHCET आई वुड से दैट अरिहंत की आप बुक ले सकते हैं. अरिहंत पब्लिकेशंस की बुक आती है, सेल्फ गाइड. which may not explain you each and everything in detail, but generally आपको questions का idea लगाने के लिए and to have a look at how the questions are going to come, that book can help you. English में you have vocabulary, that is your synonyms, antonyms, analogies, proficiency, idioms and phrases, one word substitution, sentence improvement, fill in the blanks, errors, inappropriate words, spelling mistakes, English comprehension. These things are asked in your English section. For vocabulary, you can check the book of Norman Lewis, Word Power Made Easy. In our video module that we are providing you, we have made elaborate lectures on this book to help you understand and learn vocabulary. So, just in case you're looking forward for a coaching and you want help, you can resort to our material available on our website www.lawdigest.in. Otherwise, you can use this book for vocabulary and Wren and Martin for grammar to complete your English. Maths में they've said that 10th standard level के questions होंगे, which will include your profit and loss, time, speed, distance, time, work, algebra, average, and Venn diagrams. So that is the basic that is going to be asked. I hope you are clear with it. आपको सारे questions attempt करने हैं because negative marking नहीं है, so it is imperative that you attempt all the questions. Maths के लिए you can use Sultan Chand. This is the book that you can use if you want. Obviously, for logical and maths, you need to understand the approach, how to solve these questions. You can take help of YouTube videos, because books may you might not really have that guidance कि कैसे question solve करना. You might find questions to practice in books and you might find solutions. But then if you want some help with this, you can either resort to YouTube videos, or as I mentioned, you can check our module. We are also covering current affairs on monthly basis, providing you with 150 MCQs per month for practice. And these things, legal is also covered. So you can check the module if you want. As I said, maths you can leave for the end because the exam is going to be conducted in April and we are already in the mid of July. So I would say that if you're seriously wanting to prepare for this examination, go for it. GLC, ILS are the colleges that you should be, aiming for. These are the top colleges in Maharashtra University, and to get through, you would require 120 plus. That's, I think, the minimum marks that you should get in order to get here, in order to meet the cutoff. And rest, we keep posting videos about your examinations, about legal awareness, about our law entrance based teaching that we provide. So keep following us here, keep following us on Instagram as well, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.